Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you are new here, make sure to watch JavaScript for Beginners part 1 to part 5.1 before watching this video, because this is part 5.2 of our JavaScript tutorial series. Today we will continue exploring JavaScript step by step in a very easy and beginners friendly way. So stay tuned till the end and learn something new. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more awesome coding tutorials. Today topic is about difference between single equal to, double equal to and triple equal to in JavaScript. First, let me provide a single line comment. Equal to, it's for your understanding. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly what is the use of single equal to. Single equal to is nothing but it's a assignment operator. First, let me write the heading here by using a single line comment. It's an assignment operator. It's an assignment operator, and the use of this assignment operator is it is used to assign a value to a variable. Okay, let me write it by using a single line comment. Just note it down. Use it to assign a value to a variable. Okay, single equal to is nothing but used to assign a value to a variable. Okay, don't worry, I will explain you with a simple example. See here, let x equal to 10. Okay, let x equal to 10. Console.log x. Okay, now let me run the code. See here 10 is assigned to a variable which is x. Okay, variable name which is x. See here, let me run the code. Go to index.html, right click, open with the live server, right click here, inspect, go to console. You can see here it's a 10. The value of x is 10. Okay, the console.log x value is 10. See here, it's assigned 10 to x. Okay, let x equal to 10 means it's assigned a 10 value 10 to x variable name. Okay, and the output we will get x as 10. I hope you understand what is the use of single equal to. Okay, now let's go to double equal to. The next one is double equal to. Double equal to is nothing but it's a equality operator. First, let me use the single line comment here. Double equal to, just note it down what I am writing here. It's a double equal to is nothing but it's a equality operator. It's a equality operator. It compares values only, it ignores the data type. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly by using an example. See here, console.log 10 double equal to 10. See here, console.log 10 equal to 10 double equal to 10. See here what output I can get, true or false, because it's actually false, but the thing is I use double equal to, I can get true because it compares only the values, not the data types. Check here, it's a number, it's a string, because I use 10 inside the double quotes. It's a string, but still I get true value. You guys can check here. If I run the code, check here, the value is true because it's checking only the values, it ignores the data type. Okay, I hope you understand what is the use of for double equal to. Double equal to is nothing but it's a equality operator. It compares only the values, not the data type. I hope you understand what is the use of double equal to. Now next one is, let me use the single line comment here. Next one is triple equal to. Triple equal to is nothing but it's a strict equality comparison. Let me write here. Just note it down. Strict equality comparison. Okay. First let me write the code, then I will explain you what is that code about. Console.log console.log 10. Previously I used double equal to, right? Now I am using triple equal to. Triple equal to and 10. Can anyone guess what output I can get here? Console.log 10 triple equal to 10. Previously I used double equal to. Here I am using triple equal to. Can anyone guess what output I can get? Obviously I can get false. See here. You guys can check here, false, because it checks both values, it compares the values and data type together. Suppose if I remove these quotes, now let me run the code. Now check here, it's true because both are equal. It checks values are same, and it checks the data type also. Data type is number, so both are equal, so that's why it's provided true. Previously it compares only the values, not the data type. You guys can check here, it's also true. Previously 10 equal to double equal to 10, it provided me true. It compares only the values, not the data type. But here in triple equal to strict equality comparison, it checks both values and data type together. Okay, now let me provide codes here. You guys can check. Let me provide the code. 1 second, let me remove this. Provide the code. Inside this I am providing 10. Let me run the code. You guys can check here, false, because data type is not matching. Okay, I hope you understand triple equal to strict equality comparison. Let me recap for you guys. It's a single equal to. Single equal to is nothing but it's a assignment operator, and it's assign value to a variable. Okay, and the second one is double equal to. Double equal to is nothing but it's a equality operator. It compares values only, it ignores the data type. And the third one is triple equal to. It's a strict equality comparison. It compares both values and data type together. I hope you understand what is the use of single equal to, double equal to and triple equal to. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.